Bet. Back to the island life, and back to where Melinda likes to bathe outdoors. Good morning, everybody, and I'm gonna say it, good morning from Las Conchas del Mar in the Philippines, Panay Island. Yeah, Iloilo province. Good morning, and what a great morning it is. We slept perfect last night. We went to sleep maybe what, 9:30, 10 o'clock last night, and we got up this morning bright and early, about 5 a.m. First time we woke up it was like 3 a.m. Mel one check time, said it was 3 a.m. She laid her butt right back down. And then we got up a little later and have been getting a great morning started so far. Great morning. So I got a few things I want to show you guys. This is pretty amazing. Look at that. Look at that right there. This here at the side of the house, you see, going around to the front. Look at these. Look at these bananas, how they've grown. Now check this out. There was one that was huge, but the typhoon had took it out. Let's look down in here. You see there was one that was huge and the typhoon took it out. But man, now it is wonderful to have some jungle-like flora, I guess you would say, to the property. And check out this papaya right here. Man, that is so nice too. Over here's another papaya that we had planted before we left, and this is supposed to have really good papayas on it here. We bought papaya at a place that had such nice fruits, you know, and when we ate that, we kept a lot of those seeds and put them out, and this should be an offspring from that. And what a massive leaf too, just massive. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's the project right there. And the project will continue. It's the taro right here. Look at that, how it's grown. Isn't that just amazing? Absolutely amazing. Just look at the base on this tree. Now, if that give you an idea how huge that is, put your foot back down there again. Look at that. Just huge.
Such a unique banana, huh?
Absolutely amazing.
It's the one that I like before, that I want before we leave, though, that I told you, and don't touch that one. I want to become more and more.
Yeah, nice and thick. Isn't it gorgeous? Just look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, good morning from the Philippines. Man, it is so nice. It is. Boy, just look at it. Maybe these little batteries are still good. I always take the batteries out of your remote if you're going to be gone. That's one thing you don't want, is your batteries to corrode inside of your remote control. Batteries are cheap, but the remotes can get expensive, especially if you want to stick with the original. A second or not, boom, booyah, there it is, right there. There it is. Boom, and there we are. And man, check out the very first video pops up. Look at that. Very first thing. CB Media, oh Chad, right there, and one of his great videos that come out of Thailand. They're getting ready here to grill up some fish. They got it right there marinating right now. Already from the airport last night, stopped and got some mangosteen and some other fruits too. Yeah, sure did. Some Chico, we got some Chico, and we got some mangosteen. and we got some nice bananas, and start fruiting it up right from the start. And if y'all have never had one of these here, this is probably one of the most delicious fruits there is. Let me open one of these up for you. My thumbs into it, just kind of get it all started. Let hear that squishiness. Oh yeah, look at that. Start breaking it all open. See that white flesh inside now. Rip her on open. You can see it all in there now. Now here we go, right here. That's what you want to eat right there, bro. Oh, my goodness, man, so good. Look at that. My God, that is good. Some more right here. Got another one here for you, and that's a Chico. This is a very, very unique fruit itself. Let me break it open for you here. And it's got a kind of a gritty, light flesh to it. You can eat skin and all on this one. Eat the skin and all. It's got little pits in it, you see. No problem, just spit those out. This is a very unique fruit right here. It has a highly distinctive flavor. Man, it's so good to be back in the Philippines. So another thing I've been doing already this morning is charging up all of my cordless batteries here. Of course, I've been gone and they haven't been getting charged, these lithiums. And I had burned up my charger from the last time I was here. So I made a mistake. I shared the mistakes too. We had a bunch of cords laying here, and that charger from the US is supposed to stay plugged into this transformer. Takes the power down from the Philippines voltage, which is twice as high as what the US voltage is. We're on 110. So I had made a mistake, and my other charger had a regular little cord like this. And in the midst of a bunch of cords, you know, Melinda comes on and unplugs everything out of the wall every time. Everything. It's a Filipino habit. Unplug all devices. In case there's a lightning strike, power surge, it don't blow all your stuff out. And I mistakenly, in the web of cords, grabbed the wrong one, plugged my charger in direct to twice the voltage it was supposed to be, smoked it. But I had a car charger for these batteries right here that I brought from the US before. It works off 12 volt in your cigarette lighter on your vehicle. So I still had a backup at the time. Well, I had 2 or 3 of these little Ryobi chargers right here at home that I wasn't ever using. Came with some tools that I bought, and it has this little charger like this, which to my surprise I thought would have switching power in it for the voltage here, but it doesn't. It's only also for US voltage, but it's in the transformer, and I won't mistake this one so easy with all the cords like I did the other. If any of these tools ever wear out, I'm just going to buy tools here in Asia, in the Philippines, probably like Milwaukee or Makita, and that way I'll have my charger that's the right voltage for this country, and you won't have those stresses and worries. And I want to show y'all the famous creature of the Philippines that only some people ever get to see, the tarsier. Right there. Yeah. And this is the Philippine monkey down here.
We're gonna cook this next day.
Oh, y'all been digging the root out?
Where is that?
I seen it over there by the pump.
I'm gonna
Is that the, what's it called?
The gabi, taro.
Yeah,
This
taro.
one, turmeric that I planted, I'm going to transfer.
Oh, that's your
there.
turmeric right there?
Yeah.
It's a cool place here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mini garden.
Yeah, mini
And,
garden and tarsier. Well, hey everybody, I'm gonna end the day. I appreciate you watching as we roll back in from Texas and made that journey and got through the membrane of, of the shield wall, of getting through from the outside to the inside on the Philippines. We're here, we're loving it, we're happy, we're the family. Look at this. You see how this is a good life. You see this? You also see the cleanness of our place. Everybody, take care. God bless. I'm gonna enjoy a time out here and watch these kids play. We love you, and we'll see you on the next one. Stick with us tomorrow. I got some good content coming out for you.